Cold foam.
Okay.
I'm gonna film this in 0.5 the whole time. Is that
So
okay?
water. How much water?
Oh wait, let me. Hey guys, we're back again.
Welcome to my live.
We are doing a pumpkin spice
Keep clapping.
syrup latte cold foam tutorial.
Pumpkin.
It's PSL season.
PSL.
Pumpkin.
It was beautiful.
Stunning.
Okay, water. How much water?
We need to start with half a cup of water. Wait, actually.
Tyler probably wants one too, you know.
Okay. Sorry, Christine. I'll drink that. Also need half a cup of sugar.
Okay. Can you get the half cup?
Yes. I'll grab sugar.
Get the full angle of her getting the sugar out.
Okay, but you're not like opening it very well. This looks like a bunch of hands. Okay, bring it up.
There's not enough sugar in there.
Add a little bit more.
No.
Okay,
Turn
now
the camera.
we're gonna put this on low heat until it comes to a boil. This will take a little bit. I need a spoon.
We're gonna edit this part, but you guys. Never mind.
Oh, tell us. Wait, stop the video.
Okay.
Okay, as you can see here, it's coming to a slight boil. We brought it down to a simmer. We're gonna keep stirring and stirring.
What does it need to turn into, Brooke?
I don't know.
Is it just need to be a simple syrup?
Yes.
Yeah.
Did you add pumpkin to it?
It definitely is simple. Right? Am I right?
Who did this?
Well. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, this blog is called Jesse Barnes Bernhard.
Bernhard.
.com.
This is a vlog.
And yeah, it's got a good recipe here, obviously.
Hey, we're having pizza tonight. What time is it?
It's like 8:42.
8:42. Time me.
For what?
Find like how fast we can eat it?
No. I don't know why.
Hey, you were supposed to be stirring this, just so you know.
Oh, good thing this is clean.
Pumpkin spice,
Pumpkin
Bless you.
puree,
pumpkin puree.
sweetened condensed milk, and pumpkin pie spice.
That's what you're supposed to add.
And we need to stir it together with a whisk and or fork.
Okay. Somebody hand me a whiskey whisk.
Somebody come. I need the whole can of sweetened condensed
In there?
Yes.
milk.
Okay,
Wait,
get a
wait,
ladle.
actually-
I mean, not a ladle.
A fork with anything. Ah. Puree.
Ooh, beautiful.
Ooh, get that angle right there. Ooh, that's nice. Will you grab me the spatula, Casey?
Oh, I was gonna use this spoon.
Okay. I'll use the spatula.
Hi guys. Hi.
Oh, wait. Use what you want.
This isn't pizza.
What is
It's
it?
a sandwich.
She's thick.
Hold on. Oh, I dropped pumpkin puree on the floor. No one got
That's okay.
Is that right? Did I get it all out?
I think so.
No.
Okay.
There.
Let me get it too. Okay.
Hey, what you doing, Gunner?
Pay attention. No.
Looks so good.
Okay.
You want to have to top all you need out of the game after?
You have pumpkin pie spice, and you need 1 teaspoon.
Beautiful.
It's like you do like add it in, and then you put like espresso and milk like a latte.
Gotcha.
Brilliant.
Yes.
Good job, bro.
What can I say? I'm like a
Was that? Are you sure that was correct measurements?
Yes, I am.
Freaking
Also, we're
forearm
gonna add in
is.
some-
My forearm is yoked, bro.
Here, let me start.
No, get a shot.
Syrup.
Now we need to let it come to room temp. So we're just gonna hang out.
Okay, so we have the syrup. Rose is gonna give it a test. I think you got it on your shoulder. Anyway,
It's really good.
Okay, so now the next step, we're gonna make our cold foam. So we put that in a bowl, and we just kind of guessed on the amount. So we're just gonna add some of the syrup in. It's kind of strong, so we don't need a ton.
Come over here. We've got the ice assembled for each drink because they're iced PSLs.
So now we're gonna add in some syrup to our glasses.
Oh my.
I'm probably gonna want more than that. I'm not even going.
Oh yeah, no, we're gonna.
We can try it and then we can add more.
Yeah.
Always.
Can always take away, but you can't always. I mean, you can always add more,
Wait, add more
but you
of this.
can't take away. This is mine.
Oh, I'm sorry. Just kidding.
All right, now we have the syrup in. It is espresso time.
So here's the decaf, and this is Acacia's glass right here.
I'm gonna do about that much decaf coffee.
Yes.
Yes.
We're just gonna.
Ooh. Oh. 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 Woo.
That looks delicious.
OMG. Let me capture this picture.
Yeah, you better get it before I stir
Christine,
these bad
go
boys.
live.
Ooh, let me go live. Hey everyone, this is my live.
The live is living. We are actually
everyone.
filming in progress. We're making a YouTube.
Yes.
Yes. So we.
So we are making PSLs, homemade PSLs, and we got
Explain
the
what that
homemade
means for the
foam.
people who don't know.
If you don't know what
Public
PSL
service
stands for,
literature.
It literally means. Is that the mosquito?
That's
Yes,
a mosquito
it's a
sprayer.
mosquito truck.
Oh,
The
okay.
mosquito sprayer truck.
What's your rating out of 10?
With the Folgers, I'm gonna probably give it like a 7.
Perfect.
I think if I had a quality espresso, it would be like a 9.
What's your rating out of 10, Christiane?
I'm gonna say 8 out of 10.
Okay. Cheers.
Really good.
Okay, Brooke, what's your rating out of 10?
I already put mine in the fridge. My rating out of 10.
Hi.
It's Adri.
How was your game?
Hey, girl.
My rating out of 10, probably a solid 7.
Okay.
I'm a good. It's good stuff.
Let me. My rating out of 10 is probably a good 8. I really love it. The cold foam, spot on. Spot on.